Have you ever wondered what happens when a heart, the very engine of our body, starts to fail? For millions worldwide, end-stage heart failure is a harsh reality. The gold standard for treatment has always been a heart transplant, but the waiting list is tragically long, and not everyone is a suitable candidate. What if there was another way? A way to give patients a new lease on life, without waiting for a donor? Well, that future might be closer than you think, thanks to a groundbreaking innovation from France called the CARMAT artificial heart. This isn't just another temporary pump, it's designed to be a long-term, permanent solution. Imagine a mechanical heart that not only beats but also thinks. The CARMAT heart is a marvel of bioengineering. It's made from biocompatible materials, which means the body is less likely to reject it. This is a huge deal because it reduces the need for heavy immunosuppressant drugs that can have serious side effects. But here's where it gets really incredible. This artificial heart is self-regulating. It's equipped with sophisticated sensors and microprocessors that monitor the patient's activity levels. Are you resting? The heart slows down. Are you walking up a flight of stairs? It automatically increases the blood flow to meet your body's demands, just like a real, healthy heart would. This ability to adapt in real time is what sets CARMAT apart from previous devices. It aims to restore not just life, but a quality of life, allowing patients to be more active and independent. The device consists of 2 ventricular chambers and 4 biological valves, all powered by an external, wearable system that includes a controller and batteries. While patients do need to carry this external pack, the freedom and vitality it offers in return are priceless. Clinical trials have shown promising results, with patients living for months, even years, with the device, giving them precious time with their loved ones that they wouldn't have had otherwise. So, how does it work? Surgeons remove the patient's failing ventricles and suture the CARMAT device into place, connecting it to the atria and major blood vessels. The whole procedure is complex, but the potential payoff is immense. It's essentially replacing the failing engine of a car with a brand new, high-performance one. This technology represents a monumental shift in how we approach organ failure. It moves us from a model of waiting and hoping for a donor to a proactive, technological solution. Of course, it's not without challenges. The cost is still high, and the technology is constantly being refined. But the CARMAT heart is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of hope. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of extending and improving life. For patients with end-stage heart failure, this device could mean the difference between life and death. It could revolutionize cardiac care, offering a viable, long-term alternative when a transplant isn't an option. The journey of the CARMAT artificial heart is just beginning, but it's already paving the way for a future where a failing heart doesn't have to be a final diagnosis. What do you think about this incredible piece of technology? Could artificial organs be the ultimate solution to donor shortages? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing science and tech stories. See you next time.